subscribers and channel viewers. There are not enough UFO cases on this week, but I found one interesting topic for you. Let's see. At 2 p.m. on October 22 in 1973, a child broke into a home in Sudbury, Massachusetts, calling for his mother to go outside and see the largest web in the world. My mother found a silvery white material in her yard, like a spider's web, covering the bushes and hanging from the trees. When she looked up into the sky, she saw a glittering silvery spherical object moving westward and more of this web-like substance. The woman took samples on the construction paper and places them in a glass jar and put them in the refrigerator to take them to a local lab for analysis. The material was white and translucent and shrank rapidly. The fall of strange, like a thin fabric material from the sky has been reported many times. Sometimes by ufologists, sometimes not. Its origin is mysterious, and because it's related to the sky, it was named as angel hair. The fallout of this material is often considered part of UFO phenomenon, especially close contact of the second kind, or a case that involves physical evidence or some interaction with the environment. In a series of articles it will be proved that angel hair, although rare, is really a genuine component of UFOs. NASA scientist Paul Hill wrote in his book Unconventional Flying Objects: the consistent structure of waste, as established and documented by civil investigative authorities UFO, the release of a thin, white translucent thread, became known as angel hair. There is no investigation of this substance commensurate with its potential importance. An extensive survey revealed 255 cases of angel hair falling out since 679. In the afternoon, Mrs. Evans Stansfield, her daughter, and her son-in-law witnessed a web falling from a clear blue sky, along with silver spheres that performed very complex maneuvers. They were described as bright metallic gray and moved very close to each other. There were about 20 of them. They could stop and hover or make quick turns. What are the characteristics of angel hair? Angelic hair can be described as a fibrous spider-like or silken substance that descends to the ground. In more than half of cases, sightings of UFO are also reported. There are cases of sightings of huge number covering many square kilometers. It is reported that the substance has unusual physical properties such as sublimation or changing the state of substance directly from a solid to a gas, bypassing the liquid state. This will be discussed in more details later. Angel hair is usually described as pure white, but there can also be various shades of gray, silver, or translucent. It was reported that in a few rare cases there was an observation of gray, even black color. The smell was not reported, except for a slight unpleasant smell in some cases. There is also evidence of tasty test, do not repeat it in any case, which turned out to be salty. Extreme rigidity was also reported, and attempts to break the substance resulted in this complete sublimation. Of course, this feature seems contradictory, but all this was reported by witnesses in different parts of the world. Reports of angel hair have been extremely rare over the past few decades, but tracing cases and UFO reports in general has also been extremely difficult. There have been at least a dozen cases of angel hair in recent years, and although this is a minuscule amount, we cannot say that such a phenomenon does not exist. The witnesses were widely divided by both time and geography. All people reported exactly the same properties of the substance. In addition, the angel's hair is quite rare, which means that the probability that several witnesses came up with the adhered to the same thing is extremely small. In addition, the witnesses took samples of this material, which is material physical evidence. 57% of angel hair cases involve UFO reports, which is a significant number that strongly links the two phenomena. But that is all for today. If this topic will be interesting for you, I will continue this topic. Like and subscribe. Leave your comments. What do you think about this phenomenon?